your English teacher, to help you improve your English in a way that's effective, engaging, and most importantly, practical. If you're tired of getting lost in boring grammar books, this is the place for you if you really want to see good progress, okay? And on this channel and through my website, I've created a series of lessons that guide you step by step from the basics all the way to the advanced levels. Here, you're going to work on your grammar skills and also your listening skills, both crucial for becoming fluent in English. These lessons are designed to boost your English skills, help you sound more natural, and get you speaking fluently. And here's the best part. This method works. You're going to see all the results that will not only improve your grammar and listening abilities, but also save you time. So let's get started here on this topic. Right now, we're going to be learning about prepositions for south, north, east, and west. And we're going to be learning about in and at for place. These are very confusing. Let's get into it. Preposition, directions, and place. Let's start with places, in and at. A lot of people get confused. First of all, at is for a specific location or a place with a bathroom. What I mean by that is when you're thinking about a building and it has more than one room, I would go with at over in. That way you're making less mistakes because a lot of times we switch in and at. So if this place has a bathroom and you want to sound pretty good, I would stick with at over in. Again, you can mix in and at in different places, and I'll explain that later if you would like. In is for countries or cities or just larger areas, usually with a border. So I always tell people, if this place is on a map and has areas of land and water, you're in it. So you could be in Asia, in China, in Beijing, for example. Now, let's go over some examples. At the Hilton Hotel. It's got a bathroom. At 5 Dizengoff. This is a street name. At the office, meaning it's a big office. If it's one room, you're going to say in the office. But if it's a big office space, you're going to say at the office. In Paris, because it's a big area of land. It's on a map. You could say in a museum or at a museum. I would probably go with at a museum just because it has a bathroom there, and that way you don't get confused between in and at. In a car because it's a small space, kind of like a room. So the rules again that I tell people is that in is for big areas on a map like land and water. At is for a building like a hotel, okay? And then you're in the hotel room. So it's in, at, and in. This is kind of the method. And for directions, we're learning north of. For example, Belgium is to the north of France. We're learning south of. Spain is to the south of France. West of. The Atlantic Ocean is located to the west of France. And we're learning east of. Germany is located to the east of France. Let's get into it. All right, everyone. This is the moment when you, again, take out a pencil or a pen in your notebook, and let's go through the directions. And when I read out the examples, you can try to write down the answers yourself and stop the video and then check yourselves. Let's go. Directions. Complete the sentences. 1. Belgium is located to the of France. What do you think? The answer is Belgium is located to the north of France. Belgium is located to the north of France. Let's go to number 2. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the of France. What do you think? The answer is the Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of France. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of France. Number 3, Spain is to the of France. What do you think? Spain is to the south of France. Spain is to the south of France. 4. Germany. Germany is to the of France. What do you think? Germany is to the east of France. Germany is to the east of France. Number 5. Switzerland is to the of Italy. What do you think? Switzerland is to the north of Italy. Switzerland is to the north of Italy. Let's go. Directions. Complete the sentences. Number 6. Mexico lies to the of the United States. Mexico lies to the south of the United States. Mexico lies to the south of the United States. Number 7. California is located to the of Nevada. What do you think? California is located to the west of Nevada. California is located to the west of Nevada. Number 8. Ukraine is to the of Poland. What do you think, guys? Ukraine is to the east of Poland. Ukraine is to the east of Poland. Number 9. Indonesia is to the of Australia. What do you think? Indonesia is to the north of Australia. Indonesia is to the north of Australia. Number 10. Libya is located to the of Egypt. What do you think? Libya is located to the west of Egypt. Libya is located to the west of Egypt. All right. Again, one easy tip here to remind you is that in is for areas of water and land on a map because they all have borders. So you're in those borders, you're in those lines. And then if we come to a building and this place has more than one room, like a bar, it has a bathroom, right? If this place has a bathroom, you could be saying at. And if you're in one room, you're going to say, I'm in the bedroom, I'm in the living room, I'm in the kitchen. So let's get started with this. 11. She is studying the library. In this case, I would say she is studying at the library. Again, because this place has a bathroom. She is studying at the library. 12. We are meeting the cafe. Here, it's specific and has a bathroom. We are meeting at the cafe. 13. He lives a small town in Italy. He lives in a small town in Italy. The small town is on a map and it also has a border. We're in a small town. 14. I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. The bus stop is very, very specific. I'm going to go with, I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. 15. They are staying a hotel near the beach. Again, we're talking about a hotel. It's a building, has many, many rooms, more than one. They are staying at a hotel near the beach. They are staying at a hotel near the beach. The concert is, what do you think? It says the park downtown. The park. Well, it's an area on a map. I'm going to go with the concert is in the park downtown. If this park has a specific name, you could say at Central Park. Okay? But it's in the park. 17, she works a hospital as a nurse. It's her job. It's a specific place. It also has a bathroom here. It's a building. She works at a hospital as a nurse. If there's a person that's a patient that's actually in the system of the hospital. You can say she is in the hospital, the patient. But the nurse, it's her job. I would say she's at the hospital because it's her job. 18, I'll see you the office later. Office is a big office space, many rooms, more than one room. There's a bathroom. I'll see you at the office later. 19, the keys are my bag. Well, a bag, usually you can close it up. It's a small space. You're gonna put things inside the bag. So I'm gonna say the keys are in my bag, And then 20, we had dinner at a restaurant by the river. So at this point, I would say it's a restaurant. It's got a bathroom, hopefully. I'm going to say we had dinner at a restaurant by the river. How lovely is that? Write down in the comments where you are right now. Are you in the bathroom? Are you in the kitchen? Are you at work? Where are you? Let me know. At this point, honestly, you could go around and videotape yourself and go, where am I? And say where you are exactly. And literally, this will help you. I made a video a while ago. You could check it out. It's on In On and At. And I was in New York City there. And that's what I did. I said, where am I? Oh, I'm on an airplane. Where am I? I'm at baggage claim. So think about where you are right now and say it all the time and practice these prepositions. It's very good. You need to be thinking in English all the time. And I know you can do this. Now let's go over to the answers and read out the answers and repeat after me. Answer key 1. Belgium is located to the north of France. Repeat after me. Number 2. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of France. Number 3. Spain is to the south of France. 4. Germany is to the east of France. 5. Switzerland is to the north of Italy. 6. Mexico lies to the south of the United States. 7. California is located to the west of Nevada. 8. Ukraine is to the east of Poland. 9. Indonesia is to the north of Australia. 10. Libya is located to the west of Egypt. 11. She is studying at the library. 12. We are meeting at the cafe. 13. He lives in a small town in Italy. 14. I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. 15. They are staying at a hotel near the beach. 16. The concert is in the park downtown. 17. She works at a hospital as a nurse. 18. I'll see you at the office later. 19. The keys are in my bag. 20. We had dinner at a restaurant by the river. For more information, just visit and follow my social media accounts. You can also visit my website at davidenglish.info, and you're going to get a lot of exercises there to follow up on this activity. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.